Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials, your Android version and available storage, because updates fail when space is low. Open Settings briefly to check storage. Once done, switch to Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and faster downloads. Make sure you're signed into Google Play with the account that owns Google Maps, since Play enforces ownership. Now, open the Play Store app and search for Google Maps so you can trigger the update. This is the first actionable step toward complete. You're now on the Play Store page for Google Maps, where the update button is the core control. If you see Update, tap it and watch the download progress. If not, pull down to refresh or use Play Store settings right arrow My Apps to force a check. Once downloading, let the app install. Make sure background data is allowed if you used mobile data. After installation finishes, open Maps to confirm the latest features load, and enable Auto Update in the three-dot menu to automate future updates. You finish by verifying the update. Open Maps, go to Settings right arrow About, and confirm the version number. If the update failed or never appeared, clear the Google Play Store cache in Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Play Store, then retry. Sometimes stuck downloads resolve after clearing cache. If that doesn't work, restart your device to reset network and installers. Make sure to mention any error messages when seeking help, because they guide the next step. And contact Google support only if other fixes don't resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.